Arunima Simha, the inspirational journey of the world's first female amputee to climb Mount Everest. Arunima Sinha's name is synonymous with unparalleled courage, determination, and resilience. As the world's first female amputee to scale Mount Everest, her story is a testament to the indomitable human spirit. Overcoming personal tragedy, Sinha's achievements have inspired millions across the globe. Early life and background. Arunima Sinha was born on July 20, 1988, in Ambedkar Nagar, Uttar Pradesh, India. Her early life was characterized by her passion for sports, particularly football and volleyball. She played at the national level and aspired to serve in the Indian paramilitary forces. Education and sports career. Sinha pursued her studies alongside her sports career, demonstrating exceptional skill and dedication in volleyball, representing her state at the national level. The tragic incident. In April 2011, a life-changing event occurred that tested Sinha's physical and mental strength to the utmost limit. 8. Train accident. While traveling by train to take an exam for a job in the CISF, Central Industrial Security Force, Sinha was pushed out of a moving train by robbers when she resisted their attempt to snatch her bag and chain. She fell onto the tracks and was struck by another passing train, resulting in severe injuries. Her left leg had to be amputated below the knee to save her life. Though hospitalization and recovery. Following the accident, Sinha faced a grueling period of hospitalization and rehabilitation. She endured multiple surgeries and extensive physiotherapy. The trauma was not only physical but also emotional, as she grappled with the drastic change in her life. Turning tragedy into triumph. Despite the devastating circumstances, Arunima Sinha resolved to achieve something extraordinary. Her decision to climb Mount Everest was driven by a desire to prove that physical limitations could not deter the human spirit. 8. Training for Everest. Sinha trained under the guidance of Bachendri Pal, the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Her preparation involved rigorous physical training, mountaineering courses, and several expeditions to build her skills and stamina. She climbed mountains like Island Peak, 6,189 meters, and Mount Chamse Kangri, 6,622 meters, as part of her preparation. Though facing doubts and challenges, Sinha faced numerous challenges, including societal skepticism and the physical demands of mountaineering. However, her determination and the support of her family and mentors kept her focused on her goal. Climbing Mount Everest. On May 21, 2013, Arunima Sinha reached the summit of Mount Everest, becoming the first female amputee to achieve this feat. 8. The expedition. Sinha's journey to the summit was fraught with difficulties, from the harsh weather conditions to the treacherous terrain of Everest. The climb tested her endurance and willpower, but she remained undeterred. Though historical achievement, reaching the summit was a monumental accomplishment that garnered international attention and acclaim. Sinha's success was a powerful message of hope and perseverance to people worldwide, particularly those facing physical and mental challenges. Legacy and impact. Arunima Sinha's remarkable journey has had a profound impact on society, inspiring countless individuals to pursue their dreams despite obstacles. 8. Awards and recognition. Sinha has received numerous awards and honors for her achievements, including the Padma Shri, India's fourth highest civilian award, in 2015. She has also been conferred with the Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award for her contributions to mountaineering. Though motivational speaker and author, beyond her mountaineering feats, Sinha has become a sought-after motivational speaker, sharing her story at various forums and events. Her autobiography, Born Again on the Mountain, chronicles her journey and has inspired readers around the world. 10. Philanthropy and advocacy. Sinha established the Arunima Foundation, which aims to empower differently abled people and promote sports among youth. Through her foundation, she works to provide prosthetic limbs and other support to those in need. Further achievements. Arunima Sinha continued her mountaineering pursuits, setting her sights on scaling the highest peaks on each continent, known as the Seven Summits. Seven Summits Quest. She successfully climbed Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa, Mount Elbrus in Europe, Mount Kosciuszko in Australia, Mount Aconcagua in South America, Mount Denali in North America, and Mount Vinson in Antarctica, completing her 7 summits quest in 2019. Arunima Sinha's journey from a tragic train accident to the summit of Mount Everest and beyond is a story of extraordinary resilience and determination. Her achievements have redefined the possibilities for differently abled individuals and have served as a beacon of inspiration for millions. Sinha's legacy is one of courage, tenacity, and an unwavering belief in the power of the human spirit to overcome any adversity. Her life continues to inspire and motivate people to rise above their circumstances and pursue their dreams with relentless passion.